Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got a rather large box that looked like it got ran over by a UPS truck that comes to us from Steel to Real. But before we get into it, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that out of the way, let's do it. Okay, so Steel to Real. If you're interested in the subscription box, you can visit them on their website at steeltorealclub.com. I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. And they do have multiple monthly boxes for you to subscribe to. They have a Survivor Plus, and a Survival Pro. They also have a quarterly box, which is a Survival Elite. So if you want to check them out, you can go down there and, see what you want to do. They do offer 3-month and 12-month discounts on those monthly boxes. And let's see what they sent us today. And this box, actually, when it came, it was literally about to, bust open because I guess in the shipping, it really took a beating. So. And the first thing in here is, and you can tell this is a really big box. The first thing we got is a hydration bladder. Yeah, we have a bite valve here. I'm going to say it looks like a bite valve. So, and, oh, it's magnet. Okay, that's something new. I've never seen that before. And it has this, what is this? It has this, I don't know what this is. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a valve almost. And it goes, all right, hang on, let's see what this thing's all about. And apparently you're made to close it up. Oh wow, this is a lot of stuff. Okay, it has dual bladders. And this line goes to here, so I'm assuming that when you twist this, it does something into here. Yeah. So it's got 2 hydration bladders. Okay, that's something I've never seen. I'm used to the old Camelbacks where, you just ice them down, put them on your back. They keep your back cool. They got a bite valve. You just go with it. This is something definitely new to me, and it looks like we got some literature in here. Okay, we got some MXXY stickers, a black and a white, and we got a sheet here that says, it's just the usage instructions, and it says separate your reservoirs. Okay, it said, okay, so you can separate the small and the large, and you can pull from them independently. So that's something new to me anyway. I've never really seen that before. I'm pretty sure you guys in the comment section will let me know what kind of functional use you would have for carrying an item like this and actually needing 2 separate bladders for 2 separate liquids, I would assume. So yeah, okay, so that's what that is. And these bladders are not the biggest. I mean, I'm used to having a Camelback, that's literally as big as the entire pack. And this is just the biggest one, as you can see here on the bottom. This is actually as big as it is. And let's see, does it say how much it holds? Let's see. It says it holds 50 fluid ounces, and the small one is half, 25.4 fluid ounces. Okay, so they go into this compartment in the center of the, right here, they go right here, and then they have a Velcro closure that really, okay. And they do have some little attachment points here, so you can do whatever you want to do. And then this has a little compartment that seems to clamshell open. It's not very big, so you're not going to put a whole lot of stuff in here. And you can see by this profile of this, it's not that big. So that's what you got. I'm still interested by the fact that this thing has magnets in it. Hey, I guess this is something new. And like I said, in these boxes, I always give kudos to companies like this that try to bring, new products to market. And I don't know if I would ever have a use for that. But like I said, in the comment section down below, I would love to hear what you guys think. Do you have a need for 2 separate liquids? Because I would be interested to know. And we got a nondescript box from China. And we got I guarantee this is probably going to be a camp cook set. And it's kind of what it looks like. Yes. And we got a little, we got a little towel of some kind. And we got a fuel source, which I'm not going to open because it might stink the place up. And we got a lid. And we got a pot. What is this? Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I see how it goes. This piece is skeletonized like this piece is. And apparently what they want you to do is to feed this into here. It has little tabs. It has 3 little tabs on there. And you lock them together like so. And then they fit over your fuel source like so. And then this is going to be your standoff here for your pot. And then your pot has the nice, which is kind of a standard for your handle. Just these little fold out tabs. And you got your pot on there. And then you got a lid that also will double as its own little pot if you need it. So that's always handy. So yeah, nice little cook set. And it's interesting because how this is that, it gives you the room, but it still has all the appropriate ventilation for you to have. I really do like that. And the one I have, they don't go to this length to give you all of this stuff. So yeah, this is really good. I really like it. Let's see, how did it go together? Put that in there like so. I wasn't paying attention. I was running my mouth. How did this go? I believe that went like that, and this goes this goes in here. That goes like that. That goes something like that. Yep, that'll work. And you do get this little mesh webbing bag to put all of it in. So yeah, all right. Appreciated. We'll go to use. Let's see what we got here. We got some gauze, a gauze bag from My Medic, and I have had exposure to My Medic. I got some of their kits, and their kits are really, really good. And this is a bleed kit that has 3 2x2 gauze pads, 2 4x4s, 3 non-adherent 2x2s, 2 non-adherent 3x4s, 1 2-inch conforming, and 1 3-inch conforming. So man, you need gauze pads, this little package has you covered. All right, so this is something else that will come in handy to go in a pack. Let's see what else we got here. These are Bar D biodegradable wipes, 10 large cleansing body wipes, 7.9 by 9.8 inches. It says they have tea tree oil, nice, and aloe vera. All right, just a nice little pack. It's not that big, but it has 10 wipes in it, 10 large wipes. And these things are always good, and I keep seeing so many different companies coming out with their own little flavor on these wipes, and I will have to admit, this is the first one that I've seen that says it has tea tree oil. That's very interesting. Very interesting choice for what they put in on the wipes. What do we got here? This is Gear Halo Tactical Silver Active. Okay, this is something you put in your shoes to defunkify them. And there's 2 of them, and let's see. Wow, all the stuff's printed on the inside of the box. Attack odor, remove moisture, protect your gear. You can find them at Gear Halo, GearHalo.com. if you want to know more about these two bad boys. But they also work not only as something that does, you know, scent elimination, but it also has like a desiccant effect. It says it will take moisture out too, so that's very interesting. So I would be interested to go to the website to see if you can reactivate these things, being that they have silver in them and stuff. Okay, so there you go. We got two of these. Throw them in some boots, in a bag, whatever. That, you know, if you got something that stinks and you want to like air it out, throw those bad boys in there and let them do their thing. I'm just going to go ahead and pull everything here out and go ahead and get rid of this big old ginormous box. And let's see, we got a book, and this is Outdoor Life Ultimate Survival Self-Sufficiency Manual. Grow, Build, Farm, and Survive. I really do like books like this, I will say, because they're just tons and tons and tons of information that, you know, you would need, or, you know, brushing up on your skills. Because I do actually have, let's see, do I have them in here? I've got the Bushcraft 101, Advanced Bushcraft Survival Hacks, Preserving, Off-Grid, Navigation, Compass, Land Navigation. And these aren't all my books, but I will say this. Books like this are definitely a welcomed addition to your supplies. And why? People say, oh man, on my phone, I can just go to Google and look up anything. What happens when that cell phone doesn't work and you need a physical book? These things right here, unless it's like a fire or flood, these things will always be with you, or at least you can put them where you know where they are. So yeah, sound off in the comment section down below and let me know what your thoughts are on the whole technology versus survival, because I know a lot of people that seem to think that, you know, the phones will have a use even in a grid down situation, but it will be very, very limited. And I know people that got really strong opinions on that kind of stuff. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, you know, what your feelings are about, you know, physical books and things like that in your, you know, supply cache or whatever. And what we got here, we got, what is this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is like a dump pouch. Okay, all right. So this is like a dump pouch. Yeah, it's really cool dump pouch because it's leather. So technically, you could use this for whatever you wanted to use it for. But it does have. Let's see. Can you loop it right here? Yes. And this is from L&F. I'm just going to take a stab and say it's L&F Outfitters. I don't know if that's going to come in or not, but it's embossed right there, L&F. I think it's L&F. I apologize if it's not what it is, but yeah, you could run a belt, you could run your belt through it, and you could attach it, and you can use it for a catch, you know, a catch pouch. So yeah, very cool, very, very cool. And it has a very old world look to it. You know, when you have these things that are made like this out of leather and stuff, it just, to me, they look really cool, look really old, and that's just a really cool looking, you know, a little catch bin that you can put on there. Yeah, really nice. I like that. It's really cool. Okay, we have what is this? A tri-leg stool from Realtree. Okay. All right. So we got, well, I don't know if I want to open that. But let's see what this is. A Tecto. Okay. You can see them at www.tektogear.com. And this is, of course, made in China. Let's see what we got here. We've got this little knife. Got a little carrying case. Got some information. Let's see. Assisted opening knives. Thank you for choosing Tecto Gear. All right. Thank you. What's this knife made out of? Okay. Are you okay? This is just about. Oh, okay. Well, they're not giving me information about this particular knife. Not what the blade's made out of. I don't see nothing like that. Okay. All right. So this is a knife of, as far as I can tell from this box, unknown material, but it's it has a really cool color. It's like a brown and like an olive drab color. It's nice. It looks nice. Okay, let's see. Can I get it the first try? Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. It's got some nice carbon marks on the blade. Has a nice frame lock. All right. Hopefully that'll come out, because the carbon marks there are really, really nice. I really do like that. So this is a knife that, you know, you would just carry. Like I said, it does have a frame lock. It does have a little belt clip on one side. And yeah, that's how long she is. Don't have nothing to measure it with, and the little book's completely useless because it doesn't tell me anything about it. But this would just be a good, I mean, it's, the profile of this knife is not that big, it's not that wide, so it doesn't take up a lot of real estate. This would fit very easily in your pocket because it's not, you know, it's not hefty. But as a knife you would use for you know, just a quick go-to knife that you would carry, this would be a really good knife because it does have that kind of spear point, so you could do a lot of poking with it. And considering, you know, if this is a really good steel blade, it's not thick. The blade itself is thin, so you're not doing nothing heavy with it, but doing some finer work and cutting, this would be perfectly acceptable, depending upon, of course, what the knife is actually made out of. So yeah, so we got a knife, we got a book, we got the little bag, we got a camp set, we got the gauze pad, we got, well, let's see how good this knife is. Let's see. Let's cut this open. And yeah, so if you like steel to reel, like I said, there will be a link to them in the description box of this video, so go check them out if you want to see what all their boxes are. And of course, one of the criticisms that I have about steel to reel is when this box came in, I didn't know who it was from, and there's no card inside. So right off the top of my head, I can't even tell you what box this is. I believe it's a Pro box. I want to say it's a Pro box. But it'd be nice if they just gave you a little card, you know, maybe to say thank you for subscribing, and you know, maybe gave you a list of the things with some retail prices, and then that way, you know, because like all these videos I do, I like to share with you guys what these companies, how much they charge for the boxes, and then what they believe is a good price for the products, so you can actually see, okay, this is just a seat. It's not really a chair. Well, it's a chair, but it's a, there you go. There's a picture. There's a picture of it right there. And this is from Realtree, so this is a, oh, wait a minute. Is it from Realtree? I thought I saw Realtree on there. Yeah, well, it says Realtree. Yeah, Realtree officially licensed product. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so this is just a little three-legged seat, a portable stool. So we got a portable stool, we got a knife, we got the book, we got the little Gear Halo stink taker awayer things. We got some wipes, we got a little camp stove, we got the gauze, and we got this weird futuristic hydration bladder. Yeah. It looks cool though. Alright, so tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, if you made it this far, if you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and liking the video, thumbs up. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I will put a next video subscription button up there for you. And sound off, let me know if you had any experience with any of this stuff, especially this hydration bladder. I'd be very interested to hear about that in the comment section down below. And that's it for this one, guys. Have a great day. Peace.